In luxury design, true elegance isn't something you can buy off a shelf.
Want luxury without huge budgets? Today I'll show 6 elegant wall upgrades that instantly elevate any room. Start with paint, then add depth. Architectural molding instantly adds refinement. Go for picture frame paneling or a shallow shadow gap for a modern look. Now comes idea 3. Choose one statement wall with tactile materials, textured wallpaper, brass cloth, or Venetian plaster. Texture catches light and makes a wall feel curated and expensive. Here comes idea 4. Light transforms surfaces. Add integrated LED strips in shadow gaps, wall washes, or elegant sconces to reveal texture and create drama without loudness. Choose art with scale and presence. A single oversized piece or a thoughtfully spaced gallery wall makes the space feel edited and intentional. Add small insets of high-end materials, marble veneer, oak-matched wood, or brass inlay.
These are the small changes having big impact. That's how you take any wall from plain to priceless. So, which tip will you try first? If you enjoyed this and want a room-specific plan, comment which room type and I'll give tailored ideas.